Okay, here's our microwave that's got the weird humming sound at the reduced speeds for the variable speed, 6-speed hood vent fan. And right now it's uninstalled. I'll do another video with it installed, but again, trying to isolate the sound. So here I'll do a quick demo and then I'll explain other details. So here we go, we're gonna go full speed. That's speed 6. You can hear it, it's loud. You'd expect it to be loud, it's moving a lot of air. But listen to the extra hum that kicks in when I go to speed 5. You hear that? I hope it comes through. That extra hum is still maintained pretty prominently at speed 4. And speed 3. Matter of fact, it seems like the hum is louder than the fan whir itself. Now at 2 drops off. And then 1, it's still there, but it's pretty negligible. It's not too bad. We'll go back to off. I'm gonna run through the cycle one more time. Again, pay attention to the transition between full speed, speed 6, and speed 5. All right, and for what it's worth, there's no doubt where the sound is coming from. It's coming from the motor itself. So if I were to when I put my hand on the fan just to feel the vibration, I can feel the extra hum. It's vibrating the fan because of the reduction is causing, I don't know whether it's an issue with the fan itself, the windings or something like that, or if it's an issue with it seems like maybe perhaps more likely with the controls, I don't know. But it just doesn't seem like it should be that loud. And there's a video online that seems to show a very similar model. And despite the fact that she cycles through, in the video, the woman who did it just cycles through the speeds pretty quickly, even if I try to replicate that same speed of going through the speeds, hers doesn't sound like mine. Like hers doesn't make that horror. It's extra loud on the other lower speeds. So, for what it's worth, I measured the decibel levels with a phone app, so, you know, take it with a grain of salt, but at least relatively it should be an indicator that at full speed, speed 6, it was measuring 58 decibels right in front of the microwave. But when I dropped it to speed 5, the decibels increased to 60 because of the extra hum. At speed 4, it was 59, again, louder than speed 6. 3, it was about the same level, but with the hum was by far the dominant sound, and then drops off a little bit more at speed 2, and then you know, noticeably more at speed 1. And again, acknowledging that the decibels are on a log scale, so these differences are very, you know, differences in number are very detectable to the human ear. So anyway, for what it's worth, this is the model number, and that's the serial number. Those are zeros. So yeah, hopefully you can tell me if that's a problem. I'll do another video with it reinstalled so you can potentially hear the difference with that, but there it is with it uninstalled. So thanks.